Virus, it's me, Prepper Zan, reporting to you about the tropical storm Elsa. You know, you guys, we have to keep each other encouraged, keep each other informed these days and times. Now, it goes on to say the tropical storm Elsa is expected to drench Cuba and Jamaica on Sunday before tracking towards Florida on Monday. The storm has already battered the eastern Caribbean and could bring dangerous conditions to other island nations before making its way to the mainland. Forecasters say up to 15 inches of rain could fall in parts of Cuba, Haiti, and Jamaica, with some areas picking up 4 to 10 inches. Flash flooding and mudslides are possible throughout the region, and storm surges are expected to be 3 to 5 feet above normal tide levels along the southern coast of Cuba, according to the National Hurricane Center. The White House announced on Sunday that President Biden had declared that an emergency exists in Florida and ordered federal assistance to supplement state, tribal, and local response efforts due to the emergency conditions resulting from Elsa. On Saturday, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis declared a state of emergency for 15 counties, potentially in the path of the tropical storm, including Miami-Dade, where search and rescue operations at the site of the Surfside condo collapse were paused as crews raced to demolish the portion of the building that still stands ahead of the storm. DeSantis urged citizens to pay attention to weather advisories in the next few days, given that the storm's specific path to Florida remains uncertain. While we continue to provide resources to support the response at Surfside, impacts from Elsa will begin affecting the Florida Keys and portions of southern Florida as early as Monday. DeSantis said in a statement accompanying the state of emergency, all Floridians in the potential path of the storm need to prepare for the risk of isolated tornadoes, storm surge, heavy rainfall, and flash flooding. Elsa was downgraded from Category 1 hurricane to a tropical storm Saturday morning, but not before causing widespread damage across islands in the eastern Caribbean on Friday. The Associated Press reports that Barbados was one of the hardest hit islands in the region, with more than 1,100 people reporting damaged houses, including 62 homes that had completely collapsed. At least 3 people were killed as the storm ripped through the eastern Caribbean. Okay, you guys, so we talk about it all the time on this, pardon me, on this platform about how, pardon me, how they're using weather as a tactic, and how you guys need to try to stay informed and stay prepared. They tell me about listen to the local weatherman. I tell you all the time, listen to Weatherman Plus here on YouTube. He probably was telling people about this a month before it even happened. He will inform you way ahead of time. Please excuse me. He will inform you way ahead of time, and like I said, they're using weather as a weapon. It's happening so much now. I heard a lot of my viewers state in the messages that some of these storms that's hitting their areas, they never even have these things that's ever to happen in their areas. Now all of a sudden, all this stuff is starting to happen. I would like to suggest keep your house ready at all times. Keep stuff out of your yard. I said this in my other video, but I accidentally took that video down. I have to upload it again. Keep stuff out of your yard, off your porch that could fly around and cause casualties, or could hit your windows and damage and have glass flying everywhere. Keep your dishes in your kitchen clean. Keep dishes out of your sink, knives, forks, objects like that, glass containers, because God forbid a storm hit your area and you got that stuff, that's going to cause a whole lot of other problems. Keep you a lot of water. Keep you a lot of food if you can, and if you can't, just get what you can, even at your local food pantry. I've gone to food pantries before. It's no shame in my game. I've gone to food pantries and I was able to stock up on a lot of food going to food pantries. So if you have to go to food pantries or find some church or something that's giving out food or sandwiches or something, put them up and just keep everything organized in order. Keep you a bug out bag. Always keep that have your most important documents, maybe some pictures that means a lot to you, your IDs, everything that you need, some food and some water. Keep your car tanks full of gas. full of gas. And if you have a safe area to store some more gas, if you can afford this, put some more gas to the side. Because we know when these storms come, it hits the grid. It hits the grid, and then everything, you don't have access to gas, no access to food, and things of that nature. You guys stay safe. You're in my prayers, and just keep surviving. Stay vigilant and stay watchful and keep surviving. ZanHero.com.